Welcome, cooks. Today we're making chicken salad in the KitchenAid Stand Mixer. So the Stand Mixer makes easy work of chicken salad because you can shred the chicken right in the bowl. We're going to add our other ingredients and then we're going to make our chicken salad and make us a chicken salad sandwich.
Yay.
So join me. Welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So years ago, we made chicken salad, but since then it's gotten real popular to shred chicken in your KitchenAid Stand Mixer. So that's what we're going to do today when we make our chicken salad. I have some cooked chicken here. This is a roasted chicken. I'm just using chicken breasts. So I had 4 chicken breasts from 2 roasted chickens. We have our KitchenAid Stand Mixer. This is raspberry ice. This color came out a while ago and it's kind of hard to find now. It's actually kind of a rare color. It's not an old mixer, but it has become a rare color because it's popular and it's no longer made, right? This was the design series. So it came with this glass bowl. It came with upgraded sort of shimmery looking paint. I love this mixer. If you ever happen to find a raspberry ice out in the wild, right, snag it, because I've seen these things go for like $600 for this mixer. This is a 5-quart Artisan design series. I figured I would match my raspberry ice to the light back here, right? I'm weird.
Wink, wink.
So we prepped all these ingredients. Let me show you how we did that. Okay, so I'm just going to cut up this. I'm using my little Enzo prep knife. This thing's amazing. It's a small knife, so we'll see if I can cut this big old onion with it. I'm not going to use all this onion, but I'm going to cut it up, and then I will save the rest for my breakfast. So I'm doing like prep. So I kind of want thin slices. I want to find dice on it. This knife is nice and sharp. Oh yeah. So next I have some dill. This is sort of an optional item if you like dill. I love it. It gives like a fresh taste to it. And then I'm going to chop this up. So I have some red grapes and I'm just going to cut them in half like this. That one doesn't look too good. So I'm going to slice some tomato. This isn't going to go in the chicken salad. This is going to go on our sandwiches. So we'll have fresh tomato on there. And then I have some really nice crispy leaf lettuce. I washed it, but I didn't cut the ends off. So that's what I'm doing now. So here we have a beautiful plate of lettuce and tomato for our chicken salad. So now it's time to make the chicken salad. So we have our mixer here and we're gonna go ahead and tilt the head up. I'm gonna take our chicken and I'm gonna add it to the bowl of the mixer. We got some chicken breast here. I'm not making a huge chicken salad. That chicken smells so good. Mm-hmm. And I'm going to go ahead and put the paddle on here. And I'm going to do an initial shred of this chicken. Artisan is a little bouncy. A little or a lot bouncy. So see how fast that shreds it? Very nice. Woo.
Is it dinner time yet?
Almost. So I have some red onion here. Put a little saran on it to calm down that onion.
If you got any sinus issues, you won't after that.
Yeah. So we're gonna add onion to your taste. I'm gonna add some dill here. I don't know why I just wanted some dill. Chicken salad is sort of like a blank slate. So whatever you like in it. Some people put slivered almonds. You can make it a curry chicken salad. I'm gonna wait really quick to put those in at the end. I want another dash of onion in there. So we're going to add some mayo in here. And how much mayo you need depends on how much you like. We're just going to add some and test it out. I'm also going to add some fresh cracked black pepper. I think the mayonnaise is going to add enough salt, but we'll see.
Plus the chicken roasting has.
Yeah. That's really good. Maybe one more scoop of mayo. There is no recipe for chicken salad. That looks amazing. Okay. I scraped the paddle off. I'm going to put my grapes in here, and I just kind of want to fold it because I don't want to make like grape soup up in here.
So are you just folding them in, kind of?
Yeah, I'm using a low speed. Looks so good. So good. The KitchenAid Stand Mixer makes it very easy to make chicken salad. The KitchenAid mixer, or any mixer. Let me take a taste. Adjust it for seasoning. It's amazing. I'm doing a little fine tuning. Small more amount of mayo. Eric told me he wanted celery, so I'm going to put some celery in there.
Yeah, blame it on
to
me.
make him happy. I want a little bit more papa. I'm going to put a little salt. Not a huge amount. This is a perfect example of cook to your taste. Don't cook to other people's taste. So I'm gonna fold. Do you like celery in your chicken salad? Put celery. If you don't want celery, then don't put in your celery. And let me take a little taste to verify. It's so good. It is so good. It's amazing. It's delicious. So let me grab some bread and let's make some sandwiches. Okay, I have some homemade baked bread.
Ooh.
I'm going to take some pieces out the center. So here is our bread. I'm going to spread a little mayo on there, just because I'm a mayo head. We got a plate full of goodness here. We have some leaf lettuce. Give us a little crunch on our sandwich here. We got some fresh cut tomato. You want a lot of tomato or a little tomato?
2 or 3 is fine.
How about 4?
Why not? We'll just have a party.
And we have our beautiful chicken salad. Look at how that looks. I'm just using a quick disher. Portion it out. And spread it out.
Can that bread handle all that?
I think it can. Looks like it's kind of handling it just fine.
Yeah, you don't want no Wonder Bread for this sandwich.
Stuff a sandwich, right? It's the National Stuff a Sandwich Day. Whoa. That looks kind of amazing. We're going to top a sandwich. Now that's the National Top a Sandwich Day.
Is it going to be National Put It on a Plate Day?
Yeah. So I have a plate here. And I have a bread knife. You need a serrated knife to cut like that. Wow. Yeah, that looks amazing. I got some chips here. Put some chips on there.
Okay.
Bag and a half. I think my chips kind of got smashed a little bit. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. That's a beautiful sandwich right there. So let's go with sandwich number 2. Got some mayo. We need some fresh leaf lettuce. Fresh leaf lettuce, tomato. This is gonna be mine. I only want 2 tomatoes on mine.
You don't know what you're missing, boo. Floor or go home.
That's okay. And scoop. These scoops are very versatile. This is how you do portion control. Of course, this isn't really portion control. Holy cow.
Yeah.
Because I got a lot of chicken salad.
We got 2 sandwiches out of all that stuff.
No, there's room for several more.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I'm going to take our knife here. Give us a nice cut down. Ooh, yeah. Little chips left. I think it's time to take a taste. Here you go, Boo.
Thank you, Boo Boo.
You ready for it?
It looks beautiful.
Chips are good. So here's our sandwich, chicken salad, lettuce and tomato. This is so good. This is actually one of the best chicken sandwiches I've ever had. It's fantastic. Absolutely delicious.
It's got a lot of crunch from the celery. Grapes are sweet.
Celery was a good addition. I usually put the celery, I just forgot.
A lot of good things in here.
Fantastic. Try making chicken salad in your KitchenAid Stand Mixer. Does a fantastic job. It's a great texture to it. It's not overly mushed out. It's not underly shredded. It's fantastic. I gotta go eat my sandwich, so bye everybody. I hope you enjoy this.